You go right ahead.
I am.
Take your time. Take your time.
I am the angel of death. I have come for you.
What? Oh. I see. That was very nice, dear.
Shh. Be still.
What I meant was, you did that very well, dear.
Oh.
You've got that quality.
Well, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, dear.